Welcome, my dear student. I think you are all quite well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. The student, your former class activities has been remained closed from 17th March due to pandemic of coronavirus COVID-19. So that's why our government has arranged online video class. You are all welcome on my video class. Dear student, introduction. I am MD Abdul Ghafur Ghazi, head teacher, Madhugram High School, Dunguria, Khulna. Today I will discuss with you English for today, class 9-10. The student, look at the picture. What do we see in the picture? Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pictures. These pictures are about our nature and environment. Listen, these pictures are related with our environment, our nature and environment. The student, today we shall discuss lesson. Today's lesson is on nature and environment, the grid of roaring rivers. The grid of the roaring rivers. Learning outcome. The student, what will we learn from this lesson? After completing this lesson, we will able to comprehend and summarize text, to ask and answer question, to say the meaning of the keywords, to take part in debating one river on given topic. Yes, student, let's enjoy a video clip. Dear student, now discuss with your partner what should we to protect our river and properties from the river erosion. Then write it within 3 or 4 sentences on your khata. The student, model reading. The student, listen the text attentively, then read the text individually and answer the questions that have given section B and C. Read the section B and C individually and silently. Next, I will ask you some question which is related in this passage. Just then, I think you have already finished your silent reading. Next, what can we see? Just then, we see a woman. Who is she? Do you remember? Perhaps she is Meherdan. She lost everything due to river erosion. What she had, now we will discuss her previous life. She had bamboo tree, she had vegetable garden, she had cattle, and she had a happy family. The student, look at the above picture and discuss with your partner, then write down about the previous life of Meherdan. What you already what I already described about the picture. Her previous life was very happy, but today she lost everything due to river erosion. The student, look at the following word keyword. Look at the following word. Try to say the meaning of the word and make sentence with them. Erosion. Do you know what is meaning erosion? Erosion meaning the process of eroding or being eroded by wind, water, or other natural agents. That is called erosion. Make sentence with the word erosion. Meherdan lost her property due to river erosion. Meherdan lost all her property due to river erosion. Dear student, look at the word embankment. Do you know the meaning of the word? The meaning of the word embankment is a wall or a stone for earth made to keep water back. That is called embankment. Make sentence with embankment. Mehran lives in a saloon on the Sirajganj town protection embankment. Mehran lives in a saloon on the Sirajganj town protection embankment. Whisper. The student, do you know? Whisper, there is a picture. Guess the meaning of the word whisper. To speak very silently, slowly, quietly to somebody to so that other people cannot hear that one is saying. Whisper meaning to speak very silently, slowly, or quietly to somebody so that other people cannot hear what one is saying. Make sentence with whisper. The boy whispered me, don't believe a selfish friend. The boy whispered me, don't believe a selfish friend. The student, this is erosion. How do you know the word erosion? Erosion, erosion meaning the process of eroding or being eroded by wind, water, or other natural agents. Make sentence erosion. Mirdan lost all her property due to river erosion. Embankment. The student find out the meaning of the word embankment and then make sentence with the word embankment. Embankment, there is a picture related to embankment. Meaning. What is the meaning of embankment? A wall of stone or earth made of keep water back is called embankment. Mirdan lives in a saloon on the Sirajganj town protection embankment. Meherdan lives in a saloon on the Sirajganj town protection embankment. Whisper. The student. Make sentence. Try to guess the word whisper. Guess the meaning of the word whisper, and then make sentence with the word whisper. Whisper. There is a picture about whisper. Mother is saying something with his son. Very whisper. Whisper meaning to speak very quietly, silently, or slowly to somebody so that other people cannot hear that one is saying. Make sentence with whisper. The boy whispered me, don't believe a selfish friend. Roar. Do you know the meaning of the word roar? We have already hearing the roar of the tiger. Have already heard the roar of tiger. Roar meaning to make a loud, deep, harsh sound of tiger or river or any animal is called roar. Next sentence with the word roar. The tiger is roaring for hungry. The tiger is roaring for hungry. The student Salum. Try to guess the meaning of the word Salum. So, about the picture. Salum. The meaning of the word Salum is expressed in a picture. Salum means the meaning of the word Salum. A overcrowded urban area inhabited by very poor people is called Salum. Bangla meaning the word Salum Basti. Meherdan lives in a salon on the Sirajganj town protection embankment. Meherdan lives in a salon on the Sirajganj town protection embankment. Unsteady. Yesterday. Try to meaning of the word and make sentence with unsteady. This picture related unsteady. This picture related with unsteady. Now guess the meaning of the word unsteady. Unsteady meaning a liable to fall or shake. A liable to fall or shake. The flame of this candle is unsteady. Make sentence with unsteady. The flame of this candle is unsteady. As for example, Shika Sirontan is flaming unsteady. Just then, demolish. Try to meaning of the word and make sentence with demolish. Demolish. The picture related with demolish. Guess the meaning of the word demolish. Demolish. The meaning of the word demolish to pull or knock down something. To pull or knock down something. The next sentence with demolish. The greedy Jamuna has demolished Meherdan's all happiness. The greedy Jamuna has demolished Meherdan's all happiness. Restaurant. Now complete the summary of the Meherdan's life with words phrase from the box. There are 10 gap filling in this passage. read the passage individually and find out the answer of the answer of each gap. Merzans is a tropical dash dash woman who lives in a salon. She lost her shelter and property dash the erosion of river Jamuna. She lost her family. Her husband had died of diseases caused by poverty and dash. Now she is only a dash. Like Mehrzan, there are many people who have become the dash of river erosion. River erosion is still causing dash to the lives and properties of thousands of people. The people living dash river erosion must likely victim of river erosion. Each year about dash people become homeless due to river erosion in Bangladesh. Meherdans become homeless due to river erosion in Bangladesh. Meherdans life is just one dash of how climate change dash the lives of thousands of the people. Resident. Now I am giving the correct answer. Take your answer and write down the correct answer on your khata. There are 12 words, so you have to choose the correct answer for each gap. Number 1, homeless. Number 2, due to. Number 3, shortage of food. Number 4, solemn dweller. Number 5, victims. Number 6, threats. Number 7, close to. Number 8, 1 lakh. Number 9, example. Number 10, effect. The student. Now complete the passage. I am reading again. Merdan is a tropical homeless woman who lives in a slum. She lost her shelter and properties due to the river erosion Jamuna. River erosion of the due to erosion of river Jamuna. She also lost her family. Her husband had died of disease caused by poverty and shortage of food. Now she is only a solemn dweller. Like Mehrzan, there are many people who have become the victim of river erosion. River erosion is still causing threats to the rivers and properties of thousands of people. People living close to river are most likely victim of river erosion. Each year, about 1 lakh people become homeless due to river erosion in Bangladesh. Mirzan's life is just one example for how climate change affects the river of thousands of people. Restaurant. Now get into two groups of three or four. Decide which group will speak for or against the motion. In your group, first discuss and then note down 5 or 6 points to support or oppose the statement below. Then select the speaker from each group to start the debate. The topic is given below. How to see the picture? The statement is human can't do anything to control the curse of nature. The student, the statement one which you will debate, human can't do anything to control the curse of nature. You will debate on this topic. Different evaluation. Choose the best answer from the alternatives. What does adopt means? Adopt means there are three questions: just, ancient, cause, or dam. The correct answer is adopt means adjust. Embankment represents there are four questions: dam, river, erosion, river. Embankment represents river. Number three, the river Jamuna has consumed. Number A, the cultivable land, bamboo, bush of Meherjan, houses, all of the above answer. Correct answer, all of the above answer. The student, you have already uh, heard Meherjan had a happy family. She had husband, children, cattle, bamboo bushes, vegetable garden, etc. But today she lost everything due to river erosion. The student, now write 10 sentences about merits and demerits of flat. It is your homework. You will try to write down merits and demerits of the flat. The student, no more today. Thank you.